In this video, I'm going to show you how to share saved collections on Instagram with friends. So if you go here to Instagram example, to your Instagram account, and for me, I don't think I do have anything saved here. So let me just go and save some videos first. So let's just save this example. Yeah, as you can see, I have nothing saved. Of course, you can save it with your friends. So you can simply just make it collaborative and share it with somebody. Let's say, example, I want to share it with this guy, and you can name it like, I don't know. No, I'll just name it shared with you only. Let's just say that. So click on save. And as you can see, okay, it seems like I already have one saved. So I'll just go and click on check and it's already saved now with it. So of course, everything now, if I go and save as an example, I can save this one as an example and you can save it as an example with this guy. Now, as you can see, it's shared with this account. Let's say that I'm just going to create like a new collection and it's not collaborative. I'm just going to name it test and click on save. So now I do have here something that is saved just for me. Let's say example, I want to save like some stuff as well, maybe this one as well. And I'm going to save it here. So now I can go here and click on view. Of course, I'll be able to view the stuff that is saved. Let's say, of course, if you don't want to where to find this, you can always just click on your profile. You can click on the three lines at the top right corner, and here you can go and find saved, and you can go and click on the thing that you saved. So this is first of all the collection that you saved, and you want to share it with your Instagram friends. All you need to do, if you click on the three dots at the top right or top right corner, you'll find edit collection, add to collection, or delete collection. If you go here and click on select, of course, you'll be able to select some stuff. But as you can see, we didn't find any share option. So just add, delete and stuff. So what you'll need to do here is simply go and create your new collection. So you'll have to create a new collection and it should be saved or it should be shared with others. So here, go and click on create a collaborative one. You can look for the person that you want to add to that as an example. So for me, as an example, it's going to be this one, where they are. So it should be like, yeah, here. I'm just going to name it like tester and it should be good to go. So I'm just going to click on yes. And as you can see, I'm not going to add anything for it at the moment. So what I'll do now is just go to saved. And here you said this is the tester one. So I can go to this one that I have it's only for me. And I can go and click on three dots, then click on add to collection. And you can add something as example to this collection from any other things. So let's say I have everything now in this test collection. So this collection, and I want to share it with somebody. So I can just go and click on it, click on this dot, and then you can click on select. So once you go here and select everything, you can go and click on move. Now, just go and move it to this tester, click on move, and as you can see, if we go now to tester, we moved everything right there. And now that's what's in here is shared with this person. It's basically, of course, saved by me and shared with the other collaborator that I have. So that's the only way that you can share your saved collaboration with Instagram friends. You cannot like just go to whatever you have and click on that and share it. So you'll have to move it to another one, another like saved collection that's you shared with somebody. So you'll have to create one and move everything to it. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.